What is up, you guys? This is the second part to the deck staining video. So if you haven't watched part one, make sure you go watch that before watching this, and then come back and check this one out. So now I'm at the point of staining. So we're back here on the job, as you can see. Got some of my supplies here. We have the stain sitting back there, 10 gallons. So what I'm doing right now is I'm taping the edge of the house up. You can see I've started it from here, and I'm just taping everything up on the edges. And the other side is getting washed as well. My mom's been helping me on this job because it's hard to find help anymore. You can't, either people don't want to work or people's on drugs and you just can't trust them. So it's very hard to find work, or it's hard to find workers that'll actually do a good job and you can trust them. So yeah, right now I'm in, by myself kinda, until I can find some help. So, but we're doing it. We've got this far on the job, and we're going to finish this one up pretty soon. Can't wait to see what the stain looks like once I get it laid down. But yeah, like I say, guys, I'm just taping all the edges up right now. Letting the battery charge for the leaf blower, and then I'm going to blow all this off before we start staining it. But for the meantime, I'm going to finish this tape up because there's going to be a lot of taping to do. So let's start on that. So I'm just ripping it out in sections. It just makes it easier because I really got to get this flat. So it just makes it easier for me to cut it out in sections, I think. But you can do it however you would like to do it. Just get it lined up. Then I'll just take my knife. I've got this laying here. You can use a flathead, screwdriver, or whatever you want to use. I'll just run that across the bottom to kind of tuck it up under that lip. And then that makes sure that makes me be aware that it's, not going to get any part on the house. So that's what I'm going to do. Just going to keep doing that all the way across the house until I get it where I want it. Shout out to this little knife. I got this at O'Reilly's. I can't remember the brand. It just says True. That might be the brand, but they're tweezers. It's a little knife, and it has a file and a bottle opener, but this part is tweezers right there. So these are really good to get splinters out if you're a woodworker or whatever. These things are really nice. I like a small pocket knife. So yeah, guys, that's what I'm doing. I'm not gonna bore you with all of that, so I'll get back to you as soon as I get done with this, and we'll start something else. Alright, guys, so okay guys, so you can see I've got from the edge of the door. I'll have to finish up around that way, but I've got it taped up all the way through here, and then a little bit around this corner here, all the way to here. And I stopped right there because there's a little bit of water coming out, so I'm not going to stain to there yet. I'm going to let that dry once we get done with the pressure washer. So yeah, now, well, I'm going to finish up this little part right here, but then I have to tape up around these little columns here. I got that trim, I got to tape up around that. So I got to get on my ladder. I got to do each one of these. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. These sponges work really, really good.
Yeah, I see that. I'm amazed.
I'm glad it goes far, man. I'll try to take this up over here. Yeah. When I get done, yeah. Alright, you guys, you can see it's getting there. The banister's gonna have to have one more coat, but the pickings, the balusters, they're pretty good. And this looks like it's probably gonna be okay too. But these just soaked it up really bad, these top parts. Trying to show you guys how I do this. It's hard when the porch is this tight. You have to kind of work in the middle, but it is possible. I always like to step back to see if I have any spots that's pawned up. So just step back and then look, and you'll see them. I have one out there, but I'll go around the house and get it. I didn't see it until it was already too late. Has something on it right there. I gotta get. Just like that. Okay.
Wow. Them damn things in there.
There we go. Damn, it looks good. Alright guys, so you see what we got done today. We got that little section done. The weather held up perfect today. It's really nice out here. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a day for now. We'll be back tomorrow and we'll do some more staining and hopefully wipe this whole job out and collect the rest of the paycheck. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we have this pretty weather again. See you guys tomorrow. Let me get some more thing.